What are you doing? You're so silly. Whoa, how's that balloon? Popping?
Yeah.
I like all those balloons. Are those left over from your birthday?
Yeah.
How many Whoa! Watch out, Delilah. Whoa.
Hot.
Hurts? Well, don't hurt yourself.
I just do bubbles.
Whoa, careful.
I just do bubbles instead. I just do bubbles.
You want to go blow some bubbles?
Yeah.
You know what? We actually, I have an idea.
Yes.
We need to take a bath. So how about we blow some bubbles in the bath?
Mom, I'll just play by a bit.
You want to play before your bath? Okay.